Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to another vlog. This is the Bikerguy, and we are in Bangalore. Let's get the day started. Okay, so the date is 27th of April, and the time right now is 6 o'clock, and we are out for one ride. So if you're new to my channel, then you would not know what is one ride. So let me tell you, one ride is a ride organized by Royal Enfield, basically over the world. Like in every cities, people go out on rides on that particular date, and this year it is on 28th of April. And like every year, I've been attending this ride from the past 3 years with Rideholics. And the same goes for this year. I'm out with Rideholics for the ride. We are going to leave in some time, and that's what it's all about. Almost 100 bikers. We are going to a destination. Check out.
How's the judge? Hi, morning again. Over to Yes, home.
Those who have not come will take another 10 minutes to start from here, so they'll join. We'll be starting from here. Go via Asura, cross over to Asura, then right to Denikota, and he will take you forward. He's the lead. Just follow him. Gogo and Abhi is the lead and co-lead. We will sweep, me and JB. Arun, Sudhir, Ravindra, Kaushik will be your runners. If you need anything, you can just wave at them, they will stop.
And here we are, the ride has started, guys. Almost 100 bikers riding towards Anchetty forest, and from there we'll go to Kanakapura road, have our breakfast and head back. So yes, cheers for the day and enjoy the vlog. We are around 10 kilometers from Kanakapura junction, Kanakapura, and I'm so enjoying this ride. It's like peaceful, go at 60 kilometers per hour, go easy speed and just enjoy the view. This is so refreshing. So quick update on the ride, we have reached Kanakapura. So the temperature is around 28 now, but it doesn't really feel like 28, quite hot. And it's 9:30. We have stopped for breakfast. This is the place where everybody's gone for breakfast. I'll also join them soon. And after breakfast, we'll head towards Hauzkhas cafe, where all the cake cutting things and decals will be given, and then we'll head towards Bangalore. So see you guys soon.
A few moments later.
And we are done with breakfast. All the riders are getting ready to leave, and the next location is Hauzkhas Cafe, where we are gonna cut the one ride cake. All the decals will be given, and we'll chill out there for some time and leave for Bangalore. The roads were good till we reached Kanakapura, but now it's like this. I don't know for how long this is gonna be, this kind of one lane street. And we have reached Cafe Hauzkhas. Let's park in front. Woo. Okay guys, so One Ride 2019 has come to an end. Riding from Bangalore to Anchetty Forest and through Kanakapura to Hauzkhas Cafe. It was a great experience. Riding through Anchetty Forest was the best part because what I've shown in the vlog is like 20% of how beautiful Anchetty Forest is. If you get a chance, please go visit that place, ride through that forest. And yeah, because of time limit, I couldn't show you the whole thing because if I have to put the whole ride, it would extend into like 30 minutes of the vlog. But right now, it's like great. Right now we are at Hauzkhas Cafe. If you get a chance, do visit this place. It's very nice. We have just done the cake cutting and we're gonna pictures been taken. So cake cutting is done. We're gonna chill out at this place for some time and head back home. The ride is dispersed from top. And our boy is here.
Hey,
And our boy is here. Okay. So this is the Rideholics crew. Salman, JV, our leader, Somana over there. So yeah, all of us had a great time riding through this one ride thing. And yeah, if you think the vlog was nice, give it a thumbs up. Do comment down below what you think about the vlogs, any other topic I should carry on my vlogs. And yes, as I always say, I'll need your love and support to make this channel a hit. Until the next time, goodbye beautiful people.